You have successfully purchased ActivePresenter Pro, and you can now access to all advanced e-learning and AI features. However, your enterprise operates under strict security and data privacy policies that require restricting the use of AI tools. No worry, since the updated version 10.1.1, you now have the Disable AI feature. This allows you as an admin to control the licenses and AI features more easily. After finishing updating, here are the quick steps for you to disable AI. Click on the Account menu at the top right corner. Choose Disable AI Features so that the AI and License Management link portal is opened. Here, you can change the website link to the language you want. Following the instruction, fill in product key and access token. If you don't remember the access token, just click on the highlighted text to get a new one sent to the email you purchased ActivePresenter, like this. Then, go back and fill in again the product key and the newly received access token. Click Manage AI Features and License Activations. Here, you can control AI features and the list of devices that are having ActivePresenter activated. Just click this orange button, and all devices of your organizations which are activating ActivePresenter will be disabled in the AI features. After disabling AI, at that moment, any user who is using ActivePresenter in your organization has been blocked from using AI features. A few minutes later, the AI tab will also disappear. For those who open the app after the AI is already disabled, they will see no AI tab from that time. If you want to enable the AI features again, just redo this whole process, but this time, choose Enable AI Features. That's it. Hope it helps, and see you again in the next video.